So we're here today for the groundbreaking ceremony for the residences at Marina Village. And again, we welcome you on today to all our distinguished guests, our dignitaries, our partners, and residents. We have a full program of key partners and supporters on today. And they will all share their insights on this transformative project. Today's milestone reflects a powerful collaboration among the Riviera Beach CRA, Palm Beach County, Related Urban.
God our Father, we pause to acknowledge you as the master builder.
This is something that we've worked on for a number of years. Affordable workforce housing in our community is vital. That we had a shortage of doors, so we partnered with one of the best developers in the Southeast region, if not across the country, Related Group. Please give it up for Related Urban, guys.
This project will be strategically located along Riviera Beach's main commercial corridor adjacent to the waterfront, with access to Palm Tran, I-95, Spry Rail, Palm Beach International Airport, and downtown West Palm Beach.
I think the biggest thing to showcase today, and the most important word, is the word partnership. And these type of deals don't happen without that spirit of partnership, without that collaboration. These type of projects are important to us as a company. So thank you all for your support. Thank you for believing in us, and we'll be back here soon with another groundbreaking